Hello, my name is Shirley Arrieta. The first secret to speak English. Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today we will tell about the 4 seconds to speak English more quickly. Let's start. 1. Concatenation. Concatenation, also referred to as linking. This is when a consonant sounds at the end of one word is carried over to connect with the vowels sounds at the beginning of the next word in simple word. An apple, an apple. Calculation is really important. If you don't want to sound like a robot kid, a lot of my students sound like that. 2. Intrusion. Intrusion is when an extra sound is intruded to make it easier to flow between two vowel sounds. The third most common sound, G, word, R. We all played house. We all played house. Who how to open? There it's 1 G, 2 word, 3 R. 3. Ellipsis. Any sentences they have intrusion in them. The Z is the love of a phoneme of sound. Example: next door. Next door. 4. Assimilation. Finally, we have number 4, which is assimilation. Two phonemes coming together and change into a new phoneme, a new sound. T más G igual a Ch. Example: me and you. Thank you.